Hi everyone, my name is Nastya and you're on my channel Anikina Sews. Today I'll show you how to make 3D flowers from fabric. I think this is the easiest way to create such flowers, and if you use some interesting or unusual fabric, the result will be so beautiful. So what do we need? Sewing pins, thread, a ruler or measuring tape, scissors, a candle, a lighter or matches to light the candle, and of course the fabric itself. In this video I'm using crinkle organza, which is 100% polyester. You can also use regular organza, chiffon, crinkled chiffon, taffeta and crinkled taffeta. Different fabrics will create completely different flowers. The width of my fabric is 150 centimeters and the length will be around 15-16 centimeters and 18-19 centimeters. I cut the fabric with scissors, then tear each strip to the end just with my hands, and at the end of the strip it's better to cut it with scissors. You can also do this with chiffon and thin taffeta in the same way. In theory you can cut all of this with scissors, but it will take more time, and because of the properties of the fabric the strips may be uneven. Now in the video I have a strip of 16 centimeters. First I need to cut the edges from both sides. Then I fold it in half, then again in half. I pin it so that the fabric doesn't slip. I fold it one more time, visually divide the pieces into 4 parts, and roughly pin the fabric in the center of each part. Then I cut it into 4 parts and also cut the fabric folds. It doesn't matter if the pieces aren't perfectly even. It will be better like this because the petals will turn out more interesting, a little natural chaos. I don't remove the pins from the finished pieces. We do this with all the strips of 16 centimeters. Now I take the strip of 19 centimeters. Again I cut the edges. I fold it in half. Then again in half. I pin it so that the fabric doesn't slip. I fold it one more time in half and divide this piece visually into 9 parts, pinning 9 pins. Then I cut it into 9 roughly equal parts. The pins stay in. Now each resulting square or rectangle needs to be rounded like this. Don't worry if it's uneven. Again, a bit of chaos adds more naturalness and makes flowers more interesting. Light the candle and very carefully, without bringing it too close to the flame, we need to burn the edges of each petal so they don't fray. Depending on the fabric, the petals will shrink. Organza shrinks more, chiffon and taffeta shrink less. Also remember that we don't need perfect events. Let some parts of the fabric curl more and other a little bit. Now we assemble the flowers. I take 4 small petals, layer them on top of each other as shown in the video, and sew them together with the needle and thread. Then close them into a circle. This creates the center of the flower. Then I add the small petals one by one from different sides, where I think they are missing. Then I take the larger petals and sew them in the same way from different sides opposite each other. This creates a big flower as if it has already fully bloomed. If you stop with only the small petals, the flower will look like a small bud just starting to bloom. In the next video, I'll show how to make similar flowers from chiffon and taffeta. I will also show how flowers will look from different textures. If you liked this video and it was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There will be a lot of useful tips and life hacks coming soon. Although my main area of expertise is wedding dress design, I often come across cool ideas related to upcycling everyday clothes or bags. Sometimes I feel like making jewelry from beads or a bag from beads. All of this I will film, of course, and show you. Thanks for watching, bye!